Hi guys, I got a home studio system and I got a light box. This is it is a Glanz digital that's softbox. So in this packet, I need to open this, and it got a diffuser, it got a reflector and some metal frame. And also here is the bracket that goes over the light. You can see this light is here on a light stand. So yesterday what I was going to do, I put here and then tried to put this one and was jumping. I spent half an hour but I could not find. So the easiest way I show you. So in the slide, first you put the bracket and put two angles so that it goes corner wise, and then on the side the screws should be outside, and then also you need to tighten this one and this one, because when you put this one it will be heavier and it will. So then mind this design is, it got a this velcro. So I open whole things and then put inside like this, everything just open. Then I took two of the stick, put on these two corners, and then put on this corner, the other one is this corner. So velcro sometimes it come together, you have to separate for area. Then I took one corner here, okay, and this third one is, or fourth one, sorry, will be always difficult because all the pressure come to this end. So I put this, thicken the area and slowly you bring down. Here is hold this, make it back. So this pointing you never put toward your body, so if just in case you slip, it does not come injure you. Okay, you see, it's happened so easily. And then you put all the velcros. I think not a scratch, just find out the best way. Here, you see, now this nicely set up. Then you adjust the angle and whatever you do. So I think this is the best way to do this and save your time, and also save for to do that. Okay, thank you for watching this, and hope to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to click on like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.